we doing?
So in my video yesterday, I was just talking about how to make character sheets, and I showed you guys this character, Light over here, and I was just talking about how I didn't like his design. And today I actually went and kind of like reworked it a little bit. And here are the sketches I created, as you saw in a little time lapse before this. But yeah, I'm actually happy with this design, way better than the last one. Let me pull up the last one real quick. Okay, so this is the design I had, but like I said in the last video, I didn't like this design, so I just went ahead and actually sketch out some new designs, and this is the one I like right now. It's a little bit more unified as a design, and I kind of kept some of the elements that were there in the first one. Actually, I didn't really keep anything, just this spike, this like bracelet spike type thing. But I just wanted to share this with y'all today in this video. I didn't like my design, so I just went ahead and reworked it. As you can see, I actually drew a new figure as well in the time lapse, because the old figure I had wasn't, I just didn't like it. I just decided to start from scratch, and this is what I came up with. And you also saw me draw from reference too, so that's definitely what sets these designs apart from my last one, is I used reference. And as you can see, I definitely came up with something better, I feel like. So I'm gonna go ahead and ink this up and finish off this design, and that'll be it for this video.
It's we doing.
Yeah, I like this design a lot better than the other one. So I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. I might go and redesign Dawn and her outfit, and just gather more reference for it, and probably most likely rework her design as well. But with Light, I'm happy with how this is coming out. Real quick, I'm just gonna show you how to add toning to a character. So this character Light has darker skin, right? So what I'm gonna do is, this is my line art layer down here. This is my sketch layer right there. I'm gonna turn off my sketch layer, and then I'm going to go up here to layer, then new layer, tone. And for my settings, these are my settings: 70 frequency, 15 density, circle, and then no angle. and just, oh wait, before you even get to that, go to the line art layer, go to the auto select, and then just select all the areas you want in tone. I'm gonna do that real quick, and that's fine. Then we'll go back down to this layer because I want the toning layer to be beneath the line art layer. And so when I create the new layer, it's gonna create it on top of the line art layer. So I'm gonna go to the new layer, tone, and same thing, okay. And there we go. Now my toning layer is above my sketch layer, but below my line art layer, and that's how I want it. And so now, since I selected everything, when I added the layer, it added all the toning to the selected areas. And as you can see, some of the areas I didn't select. So what you do to add toning to that area is basically click this little black box. This is where the mask is, and then just select whatever tool. It doesn't matter what tool you use, but basically you can draw in that tone onto the layer right there. And that's pretty much it for this character design. With these character sheets, I don't really need to add color because the comic isn't going to be in color. If I ever need to draw the characters in color, then I'll just have to figure that out on the spot, but that's fine. And that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to share this rework design with y'all. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm happy with how this came out. I'm definitely going to go back and redesign Dawn's outfit, her design. But that's pretty much it. So peace.